my boy El Bajón Snacks be pulling up on us. He be blessing us. Gotta check out the menu. That's just a little bit of the menu he got right there. And he's mobile, but he got way more stuff. Viejón, ¿en qué área radica?
Puro Pasadena.
Pasadena.
Sí, señor. 956-890-2064 para servirle.
There you go. Ya hit him all. He got fire, aguas frescas. He got all the snacks para bajar avión.
Yes, sir, he sure do.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. We with the gang. I love it.
You know what I'm saying?
We on the way to HPM Horsepower Factory with my boy Caesar. We are going to be tuning a customer's truck that we just finished. It's a simple setup. It's a stock bottom N60, boost cam, ARP head studs. We did a 480 swap on it with a multi-disc converter, dual 525 pumps in tank, and 2100 FIC injectors. We're gonna leave it kind of soft for the customer at first. This truck, it was actually a V6 like 2 years ago. He did a V8 swap on it and he brought it to us, and we did a heads cam package on it like 2 years ago. It was like a little all motor setup. It had put down like 445 to the wheels, and then he came back and said that he wanted a turbo kit. So we gave him the sauce, but we're gonna leave the sauce a little bit like, you know, conservative, so you can get the hang of it and all that stuff. And then and then once he gets the hang of it, he feels comfortable, you know, he'll bring it back and we'll turn it up. We're gonna leave it on like 15-16 pounds right now. It should put down like 750 to the wheels. I mean, from going from a 450 horsepower truck to a 700, it's a big difference, you know. So we're gonna leave it like on 14-15 pounds, see what it does, and you know, let him enjoy it, and then he's gonna bring it back and we're gonna turn that bitch up. And also guys, we are gonna go check up on the C10 because it is at Car Audio Garage getting more speakers installed. You know, it's funny how shit works because I was a little bit like you know, the other day I was like a little, estábamos tecateando, you know. Y pues unos bien chiflados, saben las de Beto y a la verga le subes. Y pues se miré que salió lumbre por el tablero, un poquito de lumbre, pues quemé las tweeters a la verga. So, you know, Arnold's always busy because my boy doing always custom jobs and shit. So I told him like, hey, I blew the speakers, salió humo y la verga, ¿cuánto la puedo llevar? So, you know, like, oh, bring it to me next week and we'll get it done. I had also bought a double alternator kit for it, and I had it sitting right there in my living room for like 4 or 5 months. So, ya que se la llevé por las blown speakers, le dije que le pusiera el double alternator. Y pues ya sabes que estando ahí, pues uno bien chiflado. Y I told him, hey Arnold, you know, the truck's fucking loud. Everywhere we go, we break necks, we shut niggas down. But you know, like I need a little bit more. Like I want, what else can we do? And when my boy's like, well, you don't got no outside speakers. I'm like, you know what, fuck it, put outside speakers on it. So I think he's adding like 10 more speakers like on the outside. I think it's gonna be like 2 in, nothing major, just like 2 in the front, 2 on the side, 2 on the other side, and 2 in the back, and algo así, no sé qué verga va a hacer. Él es el profesional, uno nomás le sube a la verga. So we're gonna go check up on it right now so I can see the C10 as well, because OTM is about a month and a half away. We got Jenny 6.9's new motor. That'll probably be on tomorrow's vlog. We got the Ford with the Whipple 3.0 gain installed. We're just missing a 10 rip setup that's on the way, and we gotta do a fuel system on it. And well, the maroon truck is working. You already seen that. You know, that truck, you just hop on, put fuel on it, and that bitch is always ready to go. You know what I'm saying? So we working on all the trucks, Jenny, the Ford, the C10. Oh, and I forgot about the OBS, man. Hopefully I can get it painted for OTM. It's just hard, guys, because like, man, you waste like 10,000 right here, you waste another 15 over here, and then you waste like another 10 over here, and you like building 3 trucks at the same time, plus all the other shit you got going on. So you know, it gets kind of complicated, you know. So sometimes you just gotta take a little chill pill and take it slow. So we'll see. Hopefully the OBS is ready for the. I mean, it's ready. I can just tune it and drop it and put some wheels on it and take it with the paint it has, but it's not that bad. I just want it for the burnout pit, to be honest. I'm gonna let Piggy drive it in the burnout pit. So, guys, comment down below. Piggy está culeando. Piggy, porque todas las calles de Pasadena anda de lado atravesado, queme llanta, y no se quiere meter al burnout pit en OTM. Lo anda haciendo en las calles, peligrando la gente, viendo a la gente.
Ahí sí se va a chingar, güey.
Pero el burnout pit, para eso es.
¿Y luego cómo llega al jale?
No, ni que vieras tan lejos, cabrón. Te presto una de mis trocas para que vengas. Guys, comment down below and hashtag Marrana, put your truck in the burnout pit. Look, if the motor blows, I'll give you the motor. Otro. I'm even gonna give you the motor.
Ahí está bien.
Come on, cut.
La vergüenza para quitarle y ponerlo. Alright guys, stay tuned for the ride. I know what y'all thinking. This motherfucker wearing shades like all the other fucking YouTubers. No, I'm legally blind. The doctor told me.
I'm legally blind, I can see, barely.
It's just a little, you know, sun, you know? So I wouldn't look that much like a nerd, you know, just with a little shade right there.
Instead I'm legally blind.
Mira, güey. Parece GTA. Vamos a ver cómo jala la mamá esta.
This your biggest client yet, nigga?
And we're gonna put this nigga on YouTube. What's up, Biggie? I'll gap you while I'm driving. Come on.
Dude, you gotta fucking like a pro model. This is like a street truck. Alright. 630s. Yeah, güey.
Football game.
I'm gonna photo it the wrong way.
Guys, fun fact, since I bought this truck in January from the dealer, I've washed it 3 times. And my boy's gonna get down today.
Hey, give me Dr. Pepper, cuz. You're watching this. You got about 30 warrants for racing.
Time served.
Time served. Day by day, bond money good. Cheese factory.
You get good on the floor? Yeah. For the day before OTM, you're washing the C10, you're washing the other Ford, this Ford, the maroon truck, and Jenny. I'm gonna give you all 5 or 6 to wash.
Theo Juan's Navy, you do a good job.
You should start on Thursday.
Thursday?
Yeah, you should start washing them on Thursday.
So you gonna have some
Well, you can wash Juan's on Thursday.
I'm off this weekend.
Alright guys, we're about to guess what the truck's gonna put down on 14, 15 pounds. It's gonna be on Wastegate. What do you think, Piggy?
680.
680? It's a stock bottom end 6.0. Just cam and some PRCs. What do you think, Obi?
Around there, 680 probably around there.
You can't say the same as Piggy.
Around there.
Say a number. Winner's gonna get $100.
Shit. What did Biggie say?
680.
You sure you want to keep that number?
Positive.
Positive. Goddamn, 680. I'm gonna go with 681.
That don't count.
No, fuck
That don't
with
count.
you. No shit, bro. I'm trying to think.
Alright,
Skip,
I
next person, let me
say
think.
747. Oh wait, I'm gonna change it. 727. 727.
Alright, then I'm gonna go 740. I'm gonna go 747. Yeah, fuck it.
What you got?
I'm gonna go.
747.
I'm gonna go with 715.
Nah, man. 747. I fucked up. You said $100?
Yeah.
Well, Piggy took mine.
She said it first.
I said it first before the video. Alright.
What do you think, Chris?
650.
I love it. Okay. Le ponemos un 18 pound spring a la verga.
It's not gonna make nothing over 720. No, I mean, I don't. Si hace, pues es chingos, güey.
If it puts anything over 700, it's
That's a lot.
expensive. Yeah.
Even if it puts over 650, is a lot.
Yeah, because it's gonna be literally like on 13 to 14 pounds, spiking maybe 50.
But I think that'd be like under 700.
It is hot today too. 93 degrees.
Si saca más de 700, that bitch tiene huevos.
¿Cuánto puso la tuya?
500, no? No, 4.
100.
No, the last time I took it, 520.
How many pounds? 10?
Yeah. Hey, remember when we used to come to race over here? In the
Right here at Kirby?
No,
right
pero
Kirby?
íbamos para allá, para las fábricas.
Oh yeah. Good time.
That shit was crazy.
Chile with that street racing is not what it used to be. Street racing was lit back then, right? Like actually fast niggas. You know?
There's a lot of fast
Whoa. Not fast, because today we're way faster today. But it was actually like people that knew what the fuck they were talking about and like not no fucking tuning intake. You know what I'm saying? Like actually cars that were modded, that's what I'm trying to say. Not no just put a little bit of tuning intake.
Who you think going?
Gonna be a tie. I bet you 1,000 is gonna be a tie.
I got 500 on Triple G. I'm giving you the favorite. Shit, you should be paying me actually like in Vegas. I think it's
like
like.
Canelo.
Ah,
Mira.
I bet you.
Compadre, ¿qué pasó? Este vato dice que tiene 500 bolas en Triple G.
Espérate.
¿Usted quién le va?
Déjame regresar como si acabara de llegar al pinche rancho a la vez.
A ver.
¡Compadre!
Compadre, este vato, compadre,
¿Qué quieres ese vato, hombre?
dice que tiene 500 bolas. 500 bolas, güey.
¿A
Le va a
quién?
ganar Triple G. Se va a ganar Triple G. ¿Quién le va a usted?
Yo, a Canelo, compadre.
Ahí está.
Espérate, pendejo, ¿por qué andas apostando por mi puñetas? Oye, güey, espérate, pues nomás. Ahí está.
¿Vas a Canelo? Él le va a
Sí,
Triple G.
pero pues no le estoy apostando, güey. Hoy me amarró en corto a la verga. Ahí está. Está viendo la violencia. Ajá.
500.
Dale, 250.
No, yo te voy a pasar aparte.
¡Ay, la verga! Qué buena escalera el vato,
Me
güey.
voy a dar cuenta que no, el vato es la compañía, no lo muevan.
¿Qué? ¿Me la prestó mi vieja, güey?
No, yo sé, pero
¿Tengo que usarla?
ahí van a decir, no, eso es de la compañía.
¿A ti te prestan la traca o no?
No, esa no la sacan.
¿Tu vieja te presta la traca o no? ¿No?
La que me va a decir.
Guys, you gotta know P got the track car. Well, his girl got the track car. No se la presta a P.
Guárdate bien, para que te la preste, güey.
dice la esposa de P que si así como trata la Ford va a tratar la otra, no, verga. Va a ir tronada.
Así como trata la 4 puertas.
Antes ha durado la verga.
Güey, te voy a comprar los pinches lentes nuevos, güey.
No, también mamá no es eso.
Ah, me parece hippie con esos.
No, también perro.
De esos moteros, de los que andan bien locos todo el día nomás con el peace sign.
A ver, saco bonito.
Psycho Bunny. Sí, güey, te voy a comprar unos Burberry este weekend de perdido para que traigas algo ahí más o menos, güey.
Pagamos a los barbones de Oklahoma, ¿no?
Los de 405.
O five. No, pero nosotros vamos a... ¿Qué es aquí? Güey, ¿cuál es el circo de Pasadena, güey?
¿Qué?
El circo de Pasadena. No, el area code de Pasadena. No,
Bueno, para los que saben, ya no existen 832 numbers, se me hacen ni 713, that's 346 todo.
346.
My girl called me right now, hey, you got a warrant. I'm like, what?
Por la play.
I never went to court.
Told you.
Me like,
Told you.
no, eso es I gotta get a bond.
No, pay. You have the following options: in person, make a payment,
Man,
and full.
fuck them. They're gonna have to work to get me.
Before the judge.
I ain't gonna do the
on
job for them.
9:15.
They're gonna pull me over to get me.
Cut. ¿Está fría adentro o no, cut? Very cold.
Boy, you know, but we live in the nice side of town. I heard they give you Waffle House for breakfast in that bitch.
Let me get put over in their part.
Te dan apple pie a la verga, güey. Oh, no, fruit pie.
Watch him get put over
No,
there.
no. ¿Cómo se llama el
G County
I
or
see it
something
with
in
the-
Galveston.
When I was younger, you know, I did a couple overnighters, a lot every other weekend, and I never ate, güey. I would use a sandwich as a pillow. At Chile, güey, it's cold.
Yo me comía la galletita de
It's
peanut
cold
butter.
in there, way, but motherfuckers be exaggerating. They be getting the toilet paper roll and they be wrapping themselves on the toilet paper like a fucking mummy. What the fuck that gonna do? It do nothing. It's a waste of toilet paper.
¿Cuánto tengo diciendo antes que fueras?
Sí, güey, pero when you tell somebody to do something, it's like you telling me not to do it. You should have told me don't go, and I will go. I gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? Pero you tell me every morning, hey, you got court. Güey, pues, la verga. I don't know. I don't like going to
¿Quieres
court.
andar prófugo de la justicia como?
No vale verga. Al Chile se siente bien mamalón, güey, andar cagando el palo, güey, queme llantas, lo que tú quieras, y que te paren y, yes sir, insurance y license y la verga. Ay, mi ticket a la verga, a la verga. Se siente bien mamalón, güey.
Nah.
Ahorita, güey, te vale verga, no te lo puedo pico ya ahorita. Pero no pasa nada.
No, aquí estás con madre.
Sí.
Si vas para allá.
Oh, shit, I'm good in 713, I'm good in, just can't go to that side of town. Now, got another convoys that they can't be nowhere. it's on site, I tell you.
La Biggie.
Oh, me and him got the same court.
Come on.
The same court, we gotta go to the same court.
On the same day.
The same court. I'll wait to go with you.
That shit ain't even a court, way.
What is it?
It's like a fucking theater room.
They just want money, way.
They're gonna give me my money back.
Oh, you went to court right now?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, they told me I wasn't even supposed to go
This
to
is
jail.
the man. This is the only man I've seen gone to jail for a grinder. No drugs, a grinder.
Even the fucking...
This is the only man I've seen gone to jail
Even
for
the
that.
judge said that, why the fuck did they take you to jail? I'm like, what the fuck, that's what I want to know.
I'm gonna give you your money back for what, your bond?
Yeah, because I paid 500. Shit, I'll be happy if I get at least 100 or 200 back. I'll be happy with that.
Who the fuck
Si
going to
manos
jail for a
500.
grinder, way?
Nah, they just wanted to keep that bitch was bad, way. They kept that hoe.
La mamá.
That bitch was bad
Está
for
bien perra.
real, way. Está bien perra, way.
Like, was it the electric ones?
Nah, it was like a badass one.
Oh, that ball?
Yeah, the
That
green
was
one,
ugly
remember?
as fuck.
Está bien perra, way.
Así es, cuando es un pelado cuando estaba bien pesada, me acuerdo. En la Spear.
Necesitamos los cuartos, güey, no están así.
ya también vio.
Para acá, ahí se echó un cámara, güey.
Necesito las partes del Mustang, güey, para ponérselas al Colorado, la verga.
Ya
Guys,
te dije cuáles son raras.
I'm gonna give y'all an update on the Mustang. Y'all seen the Mustang, we turned it on, we put new spark plugs, fuel pump, fuel, oil. El carro prende with its own motor. Y'all seen all the rust parts, spots que tiene el carro. We talked to a few painters. Los pintores siempre salen con la mamada. They're either too busy, they don't got time, or lo que sea el caso. So el carnal aquí
Fui a la escuela.
fue a la escuela.
Déjale saber que fui a la escuela.
Fue a la escuela para pintor, pero no le gustó la profesión esa.
Reprobé a la verga.
reprobó, pero... So look, this man, he lives in South Carolina. Bien la verga. Pero el vato le vale verga. Se sube el avión 3 veces por mes.
Estoy aquí ahorita,
Y
mañana no va a estar aquí.
ahorita está aquí, mañana no va a estar, el jueves llega otra vez. He's back and forth, he's international, he's global. Pero, como allá está la base ahorita, allá está el nido, se llevó el Mustang para allá.
I put some fiberglass to cover the big holes.
Nada más que
And
andamos
that's
jalando, ¿qué onda, carnal?
some of the repair. I take care of my line. That's in the
Pues mira,
front,
güey, esa transmisión trae front, report y reversa, trae chips,
and that's in the back.
es una 460 de cuenta como con todo.
Ahí vamos poco a poquito. Para diciembre va a quedar bien perro. No les voy a decir que para el next month, que si no algo verga, después no va a quedar listo.
And then they're gonna be waiting for it.
Ajá.
Where's the,
Déjame
where's,
look
where's
for
the
it.
Mustang?
Está el Mustang.
Where's the Mustang?
Mustang. Ah,
Es lo que le estaba diciendo a aquel
sí, quita el
güey,
teléfono.
que, güey,
Está el teléfono nuevo.
que traes ahí, que ese lugar
Hey, let me see your phone.
You got 2 phones in one.
A verlo, verga. A verlo, verga.
Se me va a caer mi maestro con.
No, por eso, déjame verlo. Yo lo agarro para que no. Miren la mamá de esto. Oh, shit. Top of the line, cuz. Damn. Cuando sea grande quiero ser como tú.
Early birthday gift.
Early birthday gift. Porque son varios adelantados. Esta mamá vale como $2,000 a la verga, ¿no?
I don't know. It was 800. Thought they give you like a $1,000.
800.
Yeah.
esa mera tiene que jalar. Esa
There's a
mera.
promotion going on right now. I give you $1,000 off. Vale 1,800.
Trae un F-35 parece.
Pero menos 1,800. Like $900 salió.
Y firmaste el contrato por cuántos años, como por 10 años, ¿no?
No. Pay it off. Like I'm gonna give 150 a month.
Este vato es internacional. Este vato un día está aquí, un día está allá, un día está allá en la verga. Este vato anda por todos lados. Este vato se anda por todos lados. So, el Mustang.
Sin miedo al éxito.
Sí, mira, el Mustang, ¿qué fue? ¿La semana pasada?
Ah, güey.
I'm telling you,
Monday.
Last Monday. So, last Monday, Labor Day weekend, aquí estaba. Sacamos el Mustang del taller, lo subimos a la trailer y manejó hasta South Carolina. That was last Monday, no?
Last
So,
Monday,
you've been working on the car for what, a week and a half? Well, not even, because like,
Lo que compré todo, las partes, me junté con... Compré todo para poder jalar a gusto.
¿Ya enseñaste la foto, no?
No me gusta batallar. Sí, le mostré las fotillos ahí.
pues ya parchó el roof. So, ¿verdad? Ya parchó el roof, ahí le echó poquita fibra y bondo y la verga, ¿verdad? Pues no es profesional, pero se hace, lo que se puede.
Exactamente.
Now, de ahí también lo va a pintar. Le quitó ventanas, le quitó todo, lavó el carro, quitó todo el pedo a la
Todo,
verga.
todo.
Puertas, quitó todo. What color should we paint the Mustang? Because he's gonna paint it too.
Y lo voy a pintar, va a quedar bien mamalón. Vámonos ya que sí. No tiene front windshield, le quité las puertas, los sides of windows, the window in the back. All we need is
Un desvergue.
comment what color they I think is going on the Mustang.
Let us know what y'all want. Should we paint it red again? Should we paint it maroon? Should we paint it like the diesel? Well, we're open to ideas. You know, I mean, we're already painting the car ourselves, so you know what could go wrong. You know what I'm saying?
Güey, y barato.
Y barato. Hit me up for y'all's paint jobs. But anyways, it's gonna come out nice, you know. ¿Qué puede pasar que se chorre?
Güey, no hay nada que la wet sand no pueda arreglar la verga.
Ah.
Wet sand arregla todo el pedo. Ay, la buffer también.
Ahí
Es
está.
la mejor amiga de los pintores.
So he's gonna be recording himself over there. So we're gonna be giving y'all little updates on each vlog we
Yeah.
do. I'm gonna be like, oh look, this is what we got done on the Mustang this week. Y la verga. He's gonna be recording himself.
Téngame paciencia porque tengo un poquito de pena.
Pero ahí se va a poner a pintar el carro y la verga. Pero qué color.
Ajá. Qué color.
I was thinking about.
Póngase bien verga porque el paint booth que estoy pensando hacer. va a
Oh
quedar
yeah,
mamalón.
he's gonna make a paint booth at his house too.
Everything on my house.
But when do you think you'll be ready?
Completely. Actually, December.
Diciembre. So we're in September, mid-September,
October, November.
October, November. 3 meses. Maybe,
That's the deadline.
maybe before.
Before.
December 1st or December 31st.
No.
Porque tú sabes que desde el 15 ya nos jalamos, nos
Como
mamamos.
para el 15, no, para el 15 ya tiene que estar listo porque después del 15 yo
Ya
pago el celular y la verga, yo me
desconectamos toda la
todo,
verga.
todo. Ya no quiero saber nada de nadie después del 15.
Hasta el 6 de enero.
No, el 7.
7.
Sí, porque el 6 es día de los Reyes Magos, güey, no mames.
Bueno, hasta 7
Hay
de
que comer
enero.
rosca de Reyes.
15 de diciembre hasta 7 de enero no me hablen. No. And then we also got a spicy motor.
Ya lo miró, güey.
Twinkies.
Me lo imagino, sí. Cierro los ojos, digo.
That's what I'm talking about, guys. That when we were on the way over here, we were talking about, OTM is a month and a half away. Estamos armando la Jenny, estamos moviendo la Guinda, estamos armando la Ford. La C10 está aquí con Arnold down the street, más unido. A cada troquete se le mete 10 pesos aquí, 15 pesos acá.
El Mustang.
Y luego el Mustang, I forgot about the Mustang. The Mustang is going to be like another $60,000, $70,000 bill.
Ya.
Este pedo está cabrón, güey.
Es que por eso dicen, este no es deporte para pobres.
Man, we're broke.
We're broke as
Yeah, we're
fuck.
broke as fuck. Ay. Pero es bonito. Es bonito el deporte.
La gente con mala, la verga, de adrenalina.
Sí. Molacho, ahorita viendo este video, te van a empinar no tiene la verga. A la verga.
Saca la pinche Ford esa.
Apestosa.
Esta, 16 pounds.
Yo dije 680.
¿Tú sí, Celi? A ver. ¿Qué año es la troca?
2002.
2002.
Ligera. ¿Cuántos?
Ligera, está ligera. Le vamos a poner un 740.
740.
740.
Ah, pero me hace 747.
¿Qué le calculas, César? Con 60 pounds, ¿qué saque?
747.
Like 680? Ah, ya valí verga, ya perdí. 700 for sure. Si sacas arriba, si sacas 700 more, esta perra, güey.
740.
A la verga, frío. How many pounds? 9? What spring did what spring did he put?
Like a 1450. You should put more power to that.
Pongo. ¿A cuál spring le pongo? A ver.
18 la verga.
¿El azul?
Sí, el azul, métele.
Hey, because it's already bottomed out, you don't have a smaller one? That's probably why it's leaking boost through there too. Ahí las patines. Pero pues ibas con las cápsulas escapando aire.
Algo está mal. Puede ser en el culo que te haya rayado o algo. Porque con ese Blue Spring you should have put down like at least 18 pounds.
Así que puso 10.
Puso 10.
A ver, ahora sí va a tocar música hasta cabrones o qué?
Ey,
Cuando el alternador.
no que ando necesitado, jala la verga todo el día y toda la noche, güey.
Ay.
Que ya se va.
Yo no.
Dice que para mañana pase por ella. La verga.
Nada más falta que se pare de manos de esta madre, güey. Parece transforme con esas madres ahí, güey.
Doble turbo.
A la verga, ¿qué?
Esta la hizo eléctrica.
¿Dónde están las pilas, güey?
Telsa Who.
Ahí hiciste Telsa.
Telsa. Vamos a ver si es cierto que doble alternador y que
¿Quién dijo, güey?
no, pues todo ahí en el YouTube ponen ahí que doble alternador y que la verga.
Double alternator.
Sí. Vamos a ver si es cierto. Si se ocupa otro, le ponemos otro a la verga.
Ponemos 4 a la verga.
Claro que están baratos. ¿Cuánto trae buenos alternadores?
Shit, what, like 1200? Just in alternators, plus the brackets.
Like 16, 1700.
Yeah, right.
Guys, this truck's for sale, cash me out. Un alternador, $2,000. A verga. Son mamadas, güey. Yo lo pedí azul, güey. Me lo mandaron rojo y el otro me lo mandaron negro, güey. Son mamadas.
¿Can we tell them?
Hombre, pues ya queda la verga tan ahí. No para regresarlos en la verga.
Dice que dice la marrana que se le va a enfriar la comida, güey. Que es la cena que le hizo la vieja, güey.
Ay, pero, güey, todos los días se va temprano la verga. Un día que meta overtime.
Mira, güey, pones el otro bracket, le pones el azul y el silver.
Para traer todos
Ahí
ya.
están todos los colores.
¿Das garantía tú por vida en todas las bocinas, verdad?
No, red light warranty.
¿Qué es esto? Nomás como a la primera luz y ya no hay ni verga, ¿o
As soon
qué?
as you hit the brake lights, that's it.
Me salió peor que los chinos este.
Alright guys, so let me show y'all what Arnold did real quick. Con todas las bocinas de adentro, which we had these JBLs. Y estas son las que quemé, ¿no?
Yeah, esas son.
Son las que quemé. This shit caught on fire, la verga por el tablero. He replaced all the inside speakers y le metió... ¿Qué son? ¿Dead bounce o qué son?
Yeah, son dead bounce.
Dead bounce speakers all inside. So 4, 6.5 up there. One in one on the door. The ones on the dash and the ones on the center console. So in total it's like 15, so I got 16 speakers in the inside now.
You're adding 8 more outside.
16 speakers inside. Y atrás en la caja como traíamos
8 inch.
8 in the bed.
8 inch, and then you got 8 tweeters.
So that's 24 plus 8 more, so 32 plus 8 tweeters. So what, like 40 something speakers?
40.
No mames, güey, voy a traer 40 bocinas. I think we're gonna need more bang, no?
Taco Bell Supply has 4 lanes and a vertical lift to deliver food. Designed for mobile orders, delivery drivers, and traditional customers, it aims to serve in 2 minutes or less.